There are few collections that can rival the American Muscle Car Museum, located in Melbourne, Florida. It has more than 50 Indy pace cars, 40 Porsches, 35 Shelbys, 29 Yenkos. And this week here in Palm Beach, a small part of that collection is going to be crossing the block. There's amazing 50s iron like this 1958 Chevy Impala, 348 cubic inches. Tri-power under the hood, tri-color inside, classic one-year styling. You want something sportier? Well, check out this 1968 Corvette. It's a big block, 427 L68 engine, 400 horsepower. But the star of this collection, it has to be this 1968 Yenko Super Camaro. It's beautifully restored and fully documented. It even has the original bill of sale. It's all worthy of a museum, and it's about to find a new home here in Palm Beach.
All right, so you're probably wondering, what is the star of the auction here today? Well, I think you can choose mini cars. There's several that are going to be spectacular, but this is definitely one of them. This is a 1968 Camaro, but this one is a Yenko supercar, 427, 450 horsepower.
Transplanted 427 engines into these first 2 years of Camaro, 67, 68. They only made a handful in 1968. This has a 427, and I inspected this car a year and a half ago at American Muscle Cars. I made a list of all the things that were wrong, the deficiencies. Ed Diedick, he's one of the managers at American Muscle Cars. He took care of everything. This car is 100% now. You can't find a better car. All the documents come with this car too. Warren Dernishek, who was a mechanic at Yenko Chevrolet, found all the documents for this car, the dealer invoice, all the paperwork goes with it. This is one of the best on the planet. We broke a record at Scottsdale selling a Yenko Chevrolet. Let's see if we can do it again at Palm Beach. Good luck.
The holy grail of Camaros. This is
Well, that's Jerry McNish, of course, who is their expert looking at Camaros. And boy, when he gives it the stamp of approval, you know it is the real deal.
Let's have a peek with the chassis cam under this beautiful Yenko, and underneath, that's the bottom side of the L72 427, put there by Don Yenko's guys, hooker headers, also put there by Yenko, M21 4-speed, open drive shaft with the correct coating for the rear axle. Looks like we have some chambered mufflers. And there's the 12-bolt rear axle, brand new gas tank, just crisp and beautiful underneath.
Well, I'll tell you what, the bid shot up. Well, we're already over 300,000, 350. This is one of our fantasy bid cars. I hope you were thinking big money when you put your fantasy bid in for this one, because this is a very special car bringing really big money here at Barrett-Jackson. As I mentioned earlier, they took this car over the last few days and detailed again, even to the extent of pulling the engine out, because they wanted everything just right when it crossed the block.
Now, if this fiberglass hood looks kind of foreign to owners of Camaros, it's because Yenko, in order to differentiate the 427 cars, created a fiberglass hood. I think Berry Plastic Glass, somebody made these for Yenko, but again, not a factory hood, but again, part of the Yenko supercar conversion. And this engine does not have a code. It's a warranty replacement, so to speak, 427. Now, this was born a 396 car. That was removed. The 427 went in. That was done at the dealer level at Yenko, verified by all paperwork. Another detail found on Yenko's is Firebird wheels. If those look like Firebird 400 rims, that's because they are. Again, it was another touch to differentiate these from a run-of-the-mill Camaro.
Over the internet, $485,000 for what may be one of the best Yenkos on the planet, a 1968 supercar Camaro 427. Every detail you could ask for, properly done. Wow. And I tell you what, even before we were in our commercial break moments ago, check this out, this 1958 Chevrolet Impala convertible across the block, one of the prettiest you will ever see in that Rio red, the deluxe tritone interior, and this sold for $250,000.
Number 703 rolling up on the block. Changes have been made since the catalog. This is an updated description. 1968 Chevrolet Corvette convertible 427 400. Finish in rally red with red interior. Matching number 68 Corvette convertible. It underwent a professional restoration, and here it is with 70,000 actual miles.
And again, folks, these are all from the Mark Pilot collection. Again, an opportunity to buy some of the most incredible cars that you will ever see across the auction block, coming from someone who literally takes care of these things impeccably.
I got to say, I went to his museum, and the way they're cared for, the climate-controlled building, rotating them through his shop, and the way he documents everything, these are the best of the best.
It includes both the hardtop and the soft top, as well as the Corvette order copy documents. Ladies and gentlemen, it's been kept in climate control. Again, 70,000 actual miles.
185,000 minimum 2 minimum
It's a buy.
85, 84,000 minimum 2 minimum 5 7 185 7 187,000 790 90,000 minimum 92 90,000 90,000 90 grand 90 grand 90,000 you're through 90 and now 2 92 you want to be 2 92,000 minimum 2 minimum 2 you want to be 2 92,000 minimum 2 yes or no 92,000 minimum 2 92,000 you're through 92,000 minimum 2 minimum 2,000 and a half. So for $90,000, Dan, thank you.
Rolling up on the block, ladies and gentlemen.